Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste formula in Excel. So open your Excel file, and first what you can do is press and hold Control while you drag this cell to another place, just like that. So next what you can do is that you can press the cell you want to copy, and here you will see the copy option. Click on copy and go to the cell where you want to paste the formula, and you can see here different options of how you want the number to be displayed. So just like that, you can complete it with the second method. The shortcut to this is that you can right click the cell, and here you will see the copy in this drop down menu. Go to the cell you want to paste this formula, and here you will see different paste options, just like that. You can also view more paste styles from this paste special option. And the last one you will want to know is select or click on the cell you want to copy and press Ctrl plus C in your keyboard and go to the cell you want it to be pasted and press on Ctrl plus V, and that's how you copy and paste formulas in Excel. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.